Want to color each face of a cube using different materials but need them all packed into one single UV texture for your game engine? It's super easy. It is how to do it in Blender. Select everything and press delete. Go to add menu and from mesh add cube. First, select your cube and hit tab to enter edit mode. Switch to face selection. Now, go to the Material Properties tab on the right. Click the plus icon to create 6 materials slots. Create a new material for each slot and give it a unique base color. Select a face. You must go to the material preview to make the colors appear. Choose your material and click assign. Repeat this for all 6 faces. Next, let's unwrap it. Select the entire cube by pressing A, press U on your keyboard, and click Smart UV Project. Then hit OK. Press UV Editing. Your UV layout is ready. Go up and press New and add the name. Write the name of your image. And you have this image with black background. Now, let's merge these colors. Switch to the Shading tab, press Shift plus A and add an image texture node. Press the drop-down list and select your cube texture image. Copy this node using Ctrl plus C, go through all your 6 materials and paste it inside each one. Make sure it stays selected in every single material. Go to the Render Properties tab and switch the engine to Cycles. Scroll down to Bake. Change the bake type to Diffuse and under Contribution, uncheck Direct and Indirect. Leave only Color checked. Hit Bake. Once it's done, go to the Image Editor. Click Image, Save As, and save your single texture map. Now, your cube is optimized and ready for Unity, Unreal, or any platform. Drop a like if this helped and subscribe for more Blender tips.